Hello, we are Summerset Grills, and today we're introducing our new outdoor oven. And to demonstrate it, we're going to be cooking some pizza, some cookies, and a full chicken just to show how versatile this outdoor oven is. So instead of cooking your traditional cookies, we're doing a little cookie pie today. We've preheated the oven to 350. It took about 5 minutes to heat, and we have our pizza stone that's included on the bottom there just to help with heat distribution. And we're going to throw this little cookie pie on the lower rack, and we're going to leave that for around 12 minutes, and then we'll come back to it. All right, so it's been about 12 minutes and our cookie pie is looking great. We maintained a solid 350 degrees the whole way throughout by turning the oven down to low once it hit that 350, and that pretty much maintains the heat for you. So we're gonna take this baby out. We are looking good. Now we're gonna do something awesome. So now we're gonna move on and cook our pizza. So we've preheated the oven to 450 to 500 degrees, and we have our included pizza stone on the top rack, and then we have the pizza stone that comes with the optional kit on the bottom rack. You can cook with one stone, but we're cooking with two simply because your pizza will cook faster. Our outdoor pizza stone kit comes with a 15 by 14 inch pizza stone, a stainless steel grill rack, foldable pizza paddle, stainless steel cutter / spatula, a leather glove, a 9-inch stainless steel wheel cutter, a steel smoker box, and a stainless steel serving spatula. All right, so now we have our pizza and we got our oven preheated around 450. We're gonna throw this in there and we're gonna let it cook for about 4 minutes and check on it, and then probably let it go for another minute. All right, so it's been 4 minutes, and honestly with the double pizza stones, this pizza's looking really ready. Oh yeah, that was about 4.5 minutes. This is exactly how I like my pizzas. We're using our pizza cutter that is included in the optional pizza kit. So now we're going to be cooking our whole chicken. We preheated the oven to 400 degrees, and we have this little homemade drip tray. It's not absolutely necessary, but it's going to get pretty juicy. So place that right on the bottom. Get our chicken. We've also put our smoker box in there. We've soaked those in water for an hour to get that smoky flavor with the chicken. All right, so now we're around the 35-minute mark out of our 50 to 60-minute total cook time, and we're gonna see if this bird's ready to be flipped. So we just flipped it. It's looking pretty tender. All right, so it's been 30 minutes since we flipped this, and I think it's ready to go. Let's check it out. Absolutely perfect. So as you can see, this outdoor oven by Summerset really can do it all, and you can get it on a cart, as you can see here, or you can build it into your outdoor kitchen. It really is a feature-packed item that really adds to the versatility of your outdoor cooking experience. So thanks for watching, and let's grill.